Hi everyone, today I will explain you how to multiply radicals using the box method. Remember, when you try to multiply radicals, it's important to identify the coefficients and the radicand. The radicands are the number inside the radical sign, or it's a 15, 3, and 5 in this case. And the coefficients are -2, -3, or +3, or it's a the numbers outside the radical sign. Remember, the radical sign is this one. So what you have to do first is to copy -2 square root 15, and we copy here. Then -3, the expression inside the parentheses, we copy in this square and in this square. -3 square root 3 and 3 square root 5. Then you are going to multiply this by this and this expression by this. So what you have to do is -2 times -3 give us positive 6. And then you multiply 15 times 3, which is 45. And we have the first multiplication. Then you are going to continue -2 times 3, which is -6, square root 15 times 5, which is 75. After that, remember, you are going to add them. So you're going to have 6 square root 45, 6 square root 45 minus 6 square root 75. Remember, in previous topics, you were simplifying 45 and 75. So what you have to do is to take the factors or the prime factorization for these two numbers. So in this case, we have that 45 is divisible by 3, which is 15. 15 divisible by 3 is 5, and 5 divisible by 5 gives us 1. At the end, we are going to have 3 to the second multiplied by 5. Remember, we take in groups of 2 because we are working with a square root. We did the same procedure with 75. Then you are going to replace the 45 instead the prime factorization, or it's say instead of this. 3 to the second multiply by 5, and instead of 75 you are going to write 5 to the second multiplied by 3. So after that, we are going to apply the inverse operation of a square root. Remember, if we have these two here and this one is a square root, we are going to take this 3 to the second power outside. So in this way, we put only 5, and then the 3 to the second. Remember, we cancel the index 2 with the exponents 2, and we are going to have 6 times 3. And in the other side, we are going to have 6 times 5, because this 5 to the second we cancel with the inverse operation, and we are going to have square root 3. After that, you need to multiply 6 times 3, which is 18, and 6 times 5, which is 30. In this case, we cannot continue simplifying because this one is a square root 5 and this one is a square root 3. As you already know, this one, we already have the answer, and this is the simplification or the simplifying when you multiply these three expressions. And this is the box method. Remember to multiply coefficient with coefficient and radicand with radicand.